In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change to mobile view in Squarespace. If you're building a site in Squarespace, checking how it looks on a phone is essential because a big portion of visitors browse on mobile. Squarespace includes a built-in mobile preview so you can see exactly how your pages stack and scale on smaller screens. Let's walk through it together and make sure you know what to look for once you get there. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Squarespace homepage. In the top right corner, click your profile avatar to open your account menu. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log in before continuing. From that menu, choose Account Dashboard. This is your central hub where all your sites are listed. Find the site you want to work on and click it to open the overview. Next, select Edit Site to launch the editor. This is where you'll make changes and preview them before publishing. Inside the editor, look toward the top right of the screen for the view controls. You'll see device icons representing different screen sizes. Click the mobile or phone icon to switch the canvas to mobile view. The page will resize to a narrow layout that simulates how content appears on a smartphone. You're now in mobile view. Scroll through your pages and scan for the key details that matter on a phone. Check that headings aren't breaking awkwardly, images maintain their aspect ratio, and buttons are large enough to tap comfortably. Pay special attention to spacing. What looks airy on desktop can feel crowded on mobile if blocks stack too closely. If you spot issues, adjust fonts, spacing, alignment, or block settings right in the editor and watch the preview update in real time. Remember, this is a responsive preview, not a separate mobile site. Your edits apply across devices, with style settings adapting for smaller screens, test navigation, and forms to ensure labels are readable and interactive elements are easy to use. For galleries or product grids, confirm thumbnails don't become too small and that text remains legible. If you use sticky headers or announcement bars, make sure they don't cover important content on scroll. As you review, compare layouts by switching between the device icons at the top as needed. This helps you balance desktop aesthetics with mobile usability. When everything looks right in mobile view, continue editing or return to desktop view the same way. That's it. Quick and simple. You've switched to mobile view in Squarespace, and you're ready to fine-tune your site for visitors on the go.